Travel poster must inspire adventure and excitement. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design a professional tourism travel poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new poster canvas size. Set a blue sky or gradient or scenic background. Import a high resolution landmark photo. Position the image with the clipping mask to blend into the layout. Add a large bold headline like Discover the World in Modern Typography. Apply gradient overlays or shadows for depth in text. Insert a tourism element like aeroplane icon, luggage, or compass graphics. Add a catchy tagline such as Your next adventure awaits. Place travel package details like date, price, offers in a clean text boxes. Use bright colors blue, orange, or green for friendly adventure.